Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install the Quick Performance disc brake kit, the swap for the 9-inch Ford rear end. I have the old style big Ford, so things may be a little bit different for those with the bigger style or with the newer style housing. First, you have this plate here. This indented part goes to the center section. This is where your seal rides. This now becomes your axle retainer. So you no longer need your factory axle retainers. This plate becomes it. So you do, pop it on there, line your holes up, and start putting bolts in. Now once you get the bolts on and tight, you want to take this plate here that you're provided, and it will go like this on the inside of the bracket. Put your bolts in. The holes, they should be obvious, they will all line up. Put your bolts in facing towards the center of the truck or the vehicle. Put these shims that you are given on. You will not be provided bolts for the mounting bracket to go onto the housing, but you are provided bolts that mount the brackets together. Put these bolts on and tighten those down. Once you have the brackets mounted up and tight, take your brake rotor, figure out which bolt pattern you have. Install your rotor. I like to put a nut on so it will hold the brake rotor in place as you're putting the caliper on. You don't have to get it tight, just enough to hold it on there. Take your brake caliper that you are provided with new shoes, and you want to place it with the bleeder screw up. I should also mention that it doesn't matter which way you orient your brakes. I'm just going with the rear because. Sit your caliper down onto the mounting bracket. You are also provided in the kit these collars and caliper bolts. So install those. They come already installed, but they fell out on me as I was trying to put it in the other side and it was wrong. The socket you will need, wherever I did with it, 3/8 Allen socket or Allen wrench, whichever one that you have. They both work. You can do a little bit more work with an actual Allen socket. Install your bolts. This part is pretty straightforward, like any other brake job. And there you have the Quick Performance 9-inch brake swap. Obviously you have to run your lines. You can do that however you want, and you have to bleed them, but here's the brake swap. Very easy. Well worth the money too.